Welcome to our web programming courses. Today we are going to study how to put links and images on the web page. You may probably know that a web page can contain various links that will take you directly to other pages and even specific parts of a given page. Those HTML links are called hyperlinks. You click on a hyperlink and jump to another page. There are two ways to add links. First is to link to an outside of the web page, and second is to link a section within the web page. Let's open our HTML file and see. As you can see, a link is specified using a tag. This tag is called anchor tag, and anything between these two tags becomes part of the link. A tag goes with href attribute, which specifies the destination address. Now let's create an ordered list and put links in each of them to see the differences between the links which will take you directly to an outside of the web page and the one which will move to other sections within the same web page. To put an ordered list, write UL, then close it. As you remember, after UL tag, you must write li, which means list, then again close it. Within li, we are going to put hyperlink. Put a tag, then href, and equal sign, then quotation marks, and the link that you want. As for me, I will put this link. This is our external link. Then we must close this tag. Let's put another li tag, which will go to another HTML file. Put li, then close it. After that, you must put hyperlink. Put a, then href, and here we must write the name of the file. But before this, let's create another file in our folder. Copy index file, then paste it, and let's change the name. Let's change it as file.html. Open it. And let's make some changes. We can change, for example, the color of the body. Let's write bg color, then equal sign, quotation marks, and color, red for example, and save this. As you remember, this file is named as file.html. Let's go our index file, and here let's put file.html. Let's close our a tag. Between these two tags, let's write some word. For example, go to the external link, to the internal link, and save this. Now let's open our browser and see. This is the result. If we click on go to the external link, it will go to the link that we have put within the a tag. This is our link. And if we click on the second one, then it will go our HTML file. Now let's create bookmarks. But for creating bookmarks, let's put here a lot of text to see the differences between top, bottom, or middle. Write li, then text, then close li tag. Let's copy down this. Now let's create our bookmarks. Let's create 3 more li tags. Write li, then write top, and close li tag. Let's copy down this. Within this li text, let's create our hyperlinks. put a, then href equals sign, and then you must write hash and, for example, top, and close this tag. In the case of middle, let's write again a, href equals sign, quotation marks, but in this case middle. And the last one, let's write a, href equals sign, hash, and bottom. Let's close them. And save. Now let's create our bookmarks. After body, put a, then id equals sign, and top for the top. Then close it. For the middle, we must write our bookmark in the middle. For example, we can write it here. Put again a, then id equals sign, and put here middle. And finally close it. And let's write for the bottom. Write here a, then again id equals sign, quotation marks, and bottom. And let's close it. Let's save it and see what happens. Refresh your page. This is our top, middle, and bottom. If we click on top, then it will go to the top. If we click on the middle, then it will go to the middle. If we click on bottom, then it will go bottom. The target attribute specifies where to open the link document. Let's try it. Here we write target, then equal sign, quotation marks, and here we write underscore and blank. In this case, our page will be opened in new window or tab. Let's try it. Save it and refresh your page. Click on the external link and it goes to a new tab. Now let's put images in our HTML file. Before putting images, let's search some images on the internet. Go to the Google. Then search, for example, programming languages. Click on images. This is our images. For example, we can save this image. Click on it. Then save image as. You should save the image in the same folder as the web page. Let's copy image name for coding and save image. In HTML, images are defined with img tag. The img tag is empty. It contains attributes only and does not have a closing tag. Now let's put our image tag. We write here img, then src. This means the source of the image equals sign, then quotation marks, and as you remember, I copied the name of the image. I will paste here now, then save it. Now let's refresh our Google page. This is our image. Image has several attributes. One of the essential attributes of image is alt attribute. The alt attribute provides an alternative text for an image if the user for some reason cannot view it. For example, we can change our image name and then write alt equals sign and some word that will be shown if the image is unavailable to see. For example, this is for an image, and save it. Let's refresh our page and see. Look, this is for an image. Now let's try another attribute. This attribute is called title. The title attribute specifies extra information about an element. The information is most often shown as a tooltip text when the mouse moves over the element. Let's write here title, then equal sign, and for example, programming languages. And save it. Now let's see it. This is our image, and look, this is our title, programming languages. This is called tooltip text. This title element is used for search engine optimization. Now let's resize our image. To resize our image, we can use the width and height attributes. Let's write here white. Our image becomes 200. Here the values are specified in pixels by default. And it is interesting to note that if we put here height, then the quality of the image will be reduced. So it is preferable to use only width attribute. As we have learned about both links and images, then let's try to make an image as a link. Before img tag, put a, then href. In this case, let's use external link, and then close it. Save the file and let's refresh and see what happens. This is our image, and if we click on it, then it goes to the web page that we have put within the codes. Hope you enjoy learning HTML. I will see you guys in the next tutorial.